Within Isidore are templates that can enhance the appearance of your Isidore course site. So one that I really recommend using is the Marianist Principle template, and from the student view it would look something like this. So it's really just a box that has the Marianist logo and this title that says Marianist Principle, and you can change that title. But then what you do is you could maybe find a quote or relate your course content in some way to the Marianist experience at the University of Dayton. What I like to do is I like to pull up any number of resources that I kind of have favorited in my browser. I have a whole Marianist folder where I pull out quotes, or I pull out different kinds of characteristics of a Marianist education, and see if I can find a way to relate that to my course content. So this is maybe a bit of a stretch in this example, but I just pulled out this notion that you should have cheerfulness and you should give enthusiasm to the content you're teaching. That's part of the spirit of our foundation, which is a Marianist document. And then I relate that to what I hope for the students to get out of this course. I want them to find some inspiration while they're taking this class. So if you were interested in adding a template like this to your course, it's very easy. Just find a spot where you'd like to add it in the lessons tool. So for instance, if I wanted to add a Marianist Principle to this section, I would just click on this plus icon, or if I wanted to add it over here, I could click on this plus icon. But for now, I'll click on this one, and I'll click on Add Text, Video, or Image, and this will pull up the text editor. And if I just click on the Templates button, it pulls up many templates that can be used, and the one that's Marianist Principle, just click on that, and write your quote or anything that relates to the Marianist identity at the University of Dayton. If you would like some resources on with some quotes or the characteristics of Marianist education, we can certainly provide those. But this is a nice way to personalize your course and really give your students the UD experience.